Good day, dear learners and teachers. I am Reverie Vargas, a junior high school mathematics teacher.
In this video, we will explore on how we can use Classwiz calculator in teaching measurement conversion. The examples and steps to be discussed in this presentation are also indicated in the Casio book on measurement conversion. The Casio emulator is a great tool for teachers to simulate the process of learning and computation in class. In this lesson, we will be exploring on Menu 1 Calculate mode and Menusi Ratio mode as we learn and teach measurement conversion with Casio Classwiz. Let's have our first example. Convert 8.2 kilometers to miles. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 0.6214 miles. To convert, we key in the expression. We input 8.2 times the fraction 0.6214 with denominator 1. So that's 8.2 times the fraction 0.6214 and denominator of 1. We press equal sign and the answer is 5.09548.
Another way of converting is using Shift 8. First, let's key in the value 8.2. Then we click on Shift 8. Since we are converting length, we click on 1. Notice that we are converting from kilometer to miles, therefore we click on 8. After that, we click on equal sign. And the answer is approximately 5.095.
That means 8.2 kilometers is equal to approximately 5.095 miles. For the next example, let's convert 4.1 gallons to liters. We know that 1 gallon is equal to 3.7854 liters. We can also use Menusi ratio mode. Let's look at the ratio for conversion. To go to Menusi, we press Menu and x raised to -1. We press 1 since the missing is a mean. We need to click equal sign for every entry. So we input 4.1 followed by an equal sign, 1 followed by an equal sign, and 3.7854 followed by an equal sign. Then press equal sign to get the value.
Again, another way of solving is using Shift 8. To convert 4.1 gallon to liters, let's click in 4.1. Then we click on Shift 8. Since this is a volume conversion, we click on 3. We're going to use the first one, so we click on 1, converting gallon to liters, and we click on equal sign. And the answer is approximately 15.52.
Thus, we have approximately 15.52. That means 4.1 gallon is equal to approximately 15.52 liters. Let's apply what we learned in word problems. In a retail store, fresh milk are sold per liter. If the owner bought 4.5 gallons of milk, how many 1-liter container will be filled? Since we want to identify the number of liters in a container, then we need to convert 4.5 gallons to liter. We know that 1 gallon is equal to 3.7854 liters. Let's look at the conversion. To convert, we key in 4.5 times the fraction with 3.7854 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. We click on equal sign and the answer is approximately 17.03.
Let's have another way of solving this by using Shift 8. Let's key in 4.5. We click on Shift 8 and we click on 3 since we are converting volume. We click on 1 for conversion of gallon to liters. Then we click on equal sign. And our answer is approximately 17.03. Thus, there is approximately 17 1-liter container that will be used to fill up the 4.5 gallons of milk.
17 1-liter container that will be filled. For our last problem, Ben measured 2.5 yards of straw for her performance task activity, but the teacher asked for the measurement in meters. How many meters of straw is this? We need to identify the number of meters of straw, which means we need to convert yard measurement to meters. We know that 1 yard is equal to 0.9144 liters. We can also use Menusi ratio mode. Let's look at the ratio for conversion. To go to Menusi, we press Menu and X raised to -1. So we press Menu and X raised to -1. We press 1 since the missing is a mean. We need to click equal sign for every entry. So we input 2.5 equals 1 equals and 0.9144 and equals. Then let's press equal sign. The value is 1,143 over 500. We click on standard form to decimal form, which is SD, and the value is approximately 2.286.
Now for our last example, a quicker way of doing it is to use Shift 8. First, let's key in 2.5. Then we clicked on Shift 8. Since this is a length conversion, we click on 1. Then to convert yard to meter, we click on 5. Finally, we click on equal sign. We click on SD to change it to decimal, and it is approximately 2.286. That means 2.5 yards is equal to approximately 2.286.
That's it for now. We are positive that our teachers will be able to share this wonderful learning experience with our students.